Today, we're putting two of Bridgestone's studless winter tires head-to-head, the Blizzak WS90, designed primarily for passenger cars, versus the Blizzak DM-V2, built for SUVs and larger vehicles. Let's dive in to see which one comes out on top in different performance categories. In this video, we will use the Consumer Reports ratings, which assess each tire on a 1 to 5 scale, with 5 being the highest score. For ICE performance, both tires deliver excellent results. Tested under identical conditions, they earned a perfect score of 5 out of 5 in braking, demonstrating superb grip and stability on icy roads. Bridgestone's special compound on both models ensures you're well equipped for slick conditions, whether you're in a sedan or an SUV. On snow, both the WS90 and DM-V2 excel once again, achieving top ratings for snow traction. Their packed snow acceleration test scores confirm that these tires are built for optimal performance in winter. Now, let's look at wet conditions, where the Blizzak DM-V2 outperforms the WS90. The DM-V2 scores higher in wet braking with a score of 2 compared to the WS90 value of 1, and in handling with a 3 versus the WS90 value of 2. Thanks to its SUV-oriented design, it also shows superior aquaplaning resistance, scoring 4 while the WS90 scores 3, further setting it apart. In dry conditions, the DM-V2 has a slight edge with its better dry braking and handling, scoring 4 out of 5 compared to the WS90 value of 3. This edge makes it a more versatile option if you expect occasional dry pavement alongside winter conditions. Both tires perform equally well in ride comfort and noise, managing a decent level of quietness despite being winter models. However, the WS90 has a slight edge in rolling resistance, scoring 4 out of 5 compared to the DM-V2 value of 3, making it the better choice for fuel efficiency. In summary, while both tires excel on ice and snow, the Bridgestone Blizzak DM-V2 stands out in wet and dry performance, making it an ideal choice on all surfaces. Meanwhile, the Bridgestone Blizzak WS90 offers slightly better rolling resistance, which might appeal to drivers seeking efficiency. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.